Okay guys, today I'm going to install some EVBase Uberturbine wheel covers. So my friends over at EVBase sent me these, and it came with 4 wheel covers and 4 caps that match the color of my car. So we're going to open this up, we're going to install these, and we're going to give you an honest review of what I think of these. So let's get started. Okay, so let's just open these up and see what we got inside here. These are the covers. I'm just going to cut these open and get these out. So you can see we've got these red little covers here. Just set those down. It's a little windy out today, so I don't want this stuff flying around all over the place. I'm here at United Township High School's UTech Center in the middle of the Rock Island County Fairgrounds. So that's where I'm at. We're going to just install these. So now these are the other ones. So there's a set of 4 black, and then there's a set of 4 red is what I got. We're going to open this whole thing up, and we're going to see what's inside. All right. So let's see. It looks like we've got each cover is just like this. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about these covers in just a second. This is what the covers look like. And then these will go right on the center caps. So I'm going to set these out one at a time. Okay, so these are from EVBase, and my friends over at EVBase sent me these. These are in the Model 3 Highland accessories, and it's the Tesla Model 3 Highland 18-inch Uberturbine wheel covers for Photon. So these are Photon wheels, and they come with wheel caps in matte hub caps in a 4-piece. So they're matte hub caps or wheel covers, whatever you want to call them, and they come with either the color that matches your vehicle for the middle centerpiece, or they come with black. Let's take a look at this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You can see there's information, there's different pages. So 18-inch Photon, full rim coverage, better range, matte black, an optional logo, which you can put that in the middle as well. And then let's see, it's some pictures of before and after, some pictures of a red car just like mine with these on it. And there's a video there, and then there's more pictures of the wheel covers on a vehicle just like mine. So let's go ahead and take a look at the details here and see what there is to know about this. So yeah, okay, so let's just get down in here and let's get these installed. So first we need to pull off the existing ones. So you basically just start pulling a little bit on each side, and each little part will come kind of a little bit off. A little stiff, but you just got to kind of work your way around it, and they'll all come off just like that. We've got this one off, and let's go ahead and put that to the side. And then the nice thing about these is they actually, now I could clean up my wheels a little bit, they're a little dirty, but we're going to put these on and see what they look like directly over this. And so you'll see that there's like these little clips in here that will go right over the right spots, and you'll want to line those up when you put it on. There's a spot also for your TPMS system, so you want to make sure that your tire pressure gauge and is going through here. So we'll just turn this around, put it down here, just line it up with that. And then what the nice thing about these is that they actually cover up the entire wheel. So like this wheel part on the other wheel covers that come with the Model 3 Highland standard, they don't cover this part up. Now these will cover this up completely, and then you won't have anything exposed. So we just need to pop these on. Just give them a little tap, a little love tap all the way around. And just like that, that's on. And then next we're gonna put these red ones on because I think those will look best with my car. So there's 4 of these. So we just need to take this out. There's a little tiny film on here. We'll pull that off. and then we'll stick it on there on the center. So let's see. These are a little, feels like aluminum or something. And looks like there's a little adhesive on the back side of this, so we can just take the adhesive off. Get one little piece of it started, and then it just will kind of peel right off of there. Yep, get that off. Let's just go ahead and put this on there. Looks like it just kind of adhesively sticks on there. So hopefully that will stay on there nice and well. So that's one down, 3 to go. So I'm going to speed this up and undo that, and I'll show you what it all looks like when I'm done. Okay guys, there we are. We've got them all installed on all 4 tires. All the wheels are covered now with these new Uberturbine wheel covers, 18-inch Photon Uberturbine wheel covers. I think they look pretty amazing, but we're going to take them for a little test drive and see how they do. Looks pretty good. But yeah, this looks pretty awesome. I like the looks of them. The red is a little bit off. Maybe I should have put the black on. I could always do that later, but it's not bad. The matte black ones will match more of the design of the actual wheel covers. I like them. I like the way they look. But let's find out what they're going to be like on the road. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. It's subscribers like you that basically help my channel to reach other people. If you're looking to buy a Tesla, you can go to qcteslaguy.com. You can use the referral button at the top of the page, and that could get you 3 free months of full self-driving. Now you'll get 1 month free when you buy or lease a new Tesla, but if you use that referral button, that'll get you 3 more free months. If you are looking to buy some accessories for your Tesla, check out all of the options down below in the description. EVBase is one of them. They have some great products. These wheel covers, they look fabulous, and I'm going to play around with them a little bit and see what I actually think of them over some time. But I think they look pretty phenomenal right now. And you can get 20% off your purchase at EVBase.com. If you haven't seen my previous video on using Grok AI for navigation, click here. And if you haven't seen my latest video on first-time use of FSD, click here. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Remember to use technology to drive safe so that you can live life.